Hi, I'm Divyang Khandelwal from DivVision Academy. So I'm getting a lot of calls from parents for their students to which math they should take for their grade 9 10th IGCSE. So here are the three mathematics which I'm going to discuss. One is core and extended 580. Second one is international math which is 607 and the third one is additional mathematics which is 606. Also there is accelerated math which is a combination of 580 as well as 606. We'll divide it into three parts. The first one would be syllabus, second, who should take it, and third one, what is the difficulty level of each mathematics. So the first one is core and extended 580, which is the basic mathematics on ninth and 10th. Not I would say very low level, but the apt level for the ninth and 10th grade, which is 580 core and extended. 607 is 90% same syllabus as per 580. The approach is just little bit different than for 580. So there are two major things. One is for international math. One is that they are supposed to use calculator, which is a GDC that they use for the IBDP in 11th and 12th grade. Second is that the paper 6 which they have apart from paper 2 and paper 4, which is same in 580 core and extended, they have investigation which is little bit more difficult than your normal 580. And then there is this third mathematics which is additional math 606. In that it's you can compare it like IIT foundation of your IB IGCSE curriculum. Here you won't do any statistics part, so that's why it is more apt for the people who are going into STEM subjects or going to engineering side. So they will be dealing with somewhat 11th grade topics in 10th grade itself, like 9th and 10th combined. Now, which math is good for you? So for 580, I would say those who are those who want to do any normal mathematics, for them it is really good, especially for the people who are going for AS and A levels in 11th and 12th grade. 607 is best for the students who are going for IBDP in 11th and 12th, because as I mentioned that the GDC remains same in 9th, 10th and then 11th and 12th as well. Finally, when I talk about additional math, which is 606, so in that you go for the mathematics which is a bit higher. So that's why there is this one course which is accelerated math, where you do 580 first and then you do 606, or you can do both the things simultaneously. Now, if you talk about the difficulty level of each mathematics, so for 580 I would rate around 6 or 7 out of 10. For additional mathematics it's gonna be 9 on 10. And finally, if I talk about 607, it's going to be 8.5 out of 10. Remember one thing, that generally people say that international math is comparatively easier than additional mathematics, but that's not the case. Because in international math, there is this paper 6 which makes a lot of difference. With respect to the scores, I see that getting A star in 580 in 606 is comparatively easier than getting A star in 607. Now it's all up to you which math you want to take. If you want any further assistance with respect to choosing any of these subjects, let me know. I can directly guide you with respect to these things. Thank you.